Hello, now we are going to study 9th standard syllabus. First chapter is set language. Set language. The set language was developed by a German mathematician, Georg Cantor. Georg Cantor developed the set theory. In mathematics, we studied algebra, mensuration, geometry, profit and loss account. Like that, set theory is one of the chapter. In this chapter, first we have to study what is set. Set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. Set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. What is well-defined? See the examples. Collection of vowels in the English alphabet. First example, collection of vowels in the English alphabet. A, E, I, O, U. So we write all the vowels and put it inside the bracket. Then set of odd natural numbers less than 10. Less than 10. So odd natural numbers. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, etc. up to infinity. So odd natural numbers means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. We put it inside the bracket. Then collection of pen, pencil, rubber. This is example 3 of them are example for sets. Then we have to define what is well defined. Well defined means, say example, collection of good students in 9th standard. This collection of good students in 9th standard. This is not well defined. Since I can say one of the student Raju is a good student, but the another teacher refused this. She said Raman is a good student. Therefore, this is not we will not get a conclusion. So another teacher may say Raju is not good student. Sankar is a good student. So we are not able to come to a correct conclusion. So such a sets are not well defined set. Then element, we will define element. Each object in a set is called element. Each object. Notation means set is usually, set is usually denoted by the capital letters A, B, C, capital letters X, Y, Z, etc. etc. Elements are small letters, small a, b, c, like that X, Y, Z, etc. X is an element of A, is denoted by a set. In set A, there are 3 elements X, Y, Z. X belongs to A, X belongs to. So we have to read this as X is an element of A, or we can say X belongs to A. Q is not an element of A. We write this as Q does not belong to. This means belongs to, this means does not belong to A. So Q is an element of, not element of A. Then representation of set. There are 3 methods to represent a set. First method, descriptive form. Descriptive form means we have to write it in words. A set is described in words. It is descriptive form. See, set of all perfect square numbers less than 30. Set of all perfect square number less than 30. So you write it in words. So this is descriptive form. See, set builter form or rule form. Rule form means you write the rule of this. In the set, all the elements are described by a rule. Rule we have defined. See, mathematically we write it. Example, A is equal to set of all x such that x is a perfect square less than 30. X is a perfect square less than 30. Mathematical form we have to write it. Say, set of all x such that x is a perfect square number less than 30. Then the third model, roster form. Roster form or tabular form. Here we have to list up all the elements, we have to write it. So in the set of all, your example, see, in the set of all elements are listed in this set. A equal to 1, 4, 9, 6, 18. We write all the elements. Example for, see here, A1. See the example 1.1. A set given Ashwin, Murali, Shankar and Badrinath. Fill up the blanks with the appropriate symbol belongs to or not does not belong to. Murali dash A. Murali is in the set A. So we can write belongs to. Then Ashwin. Ashwin is also belongs to the set A. So belongs to. Then Badrinath. Badrinath is also belongs to this. Ganguly is not here, so does not belong to A. John is also not belong to this, does not belong to A. Then see the next example. write the set of letters of words in roster form. Write the set of letters in roster form. Roster form we can write. So the set is equal to A one time, S one time, E one time. S, don't repeat this. Don't repeat this. Distinct objects. So A, S, E, M. Then A return N, T. This is the set A, X. So here we can write Y set to Y is equal to P, R, I, N, C. P already written, A already written. A not written. B, C, A, then L. So this is the example for the sets. Then here there are three forms: descriptive form and set builder form and roster form. Set builder form, three examples: set builder form, and roster form. Descriptive form, set builder form, roster form. Descriptive form, first example, set of all natural numbers less than 10. They will write it in descriptive form. Similarly, the same thing in set builder form, set of all x such that x less than n, x less than 10. Then here roster form, we have to listing all the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So same one example for all the three. Then next, second one, set of all multiple of 3 natural numbers, multiple of 3 in natural numbers. So x is a multiple of 3, x belongs to n. N is a natural number. Here listing all the elements 3, 6, 7, 9, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, etc. etc. Then third example, set of all even natural numbers less than 12. So descriptive form, write it in words. Then set builder form rule. Set of all x is an even number, x belongs to n and x less than 12. So in listing all the elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then fourth example, set of all days in a week. So words, then rule form, set of all x is a day in a week. Here we can write all the days, Sunday to Saturday. Then next, set of all integers. Here we can write x belongs to set is an integer. So you write all the elements minus infinity to plus infinity, we can write any elements. Then sixth one, set of all perfect cube numbers between 27 to 216. Write it in words. Here x is a perfect cube. 27 less than x less than 216. So the two numbers only occur, 64 and 125. Then seventh example, set of all integers greater than -5 and less than or equal to 2. So write it in words, descriptive form. So in rule, set builder form, set of all x belongs to set is integer, -5 less than x less than or equal to 2. Here write all the numbers, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. So first chapter we studied about the set, what is set, studied what is about set, what is a well-defined explanation, the element explanation. Then there are three types of form. One is descriptive form, set builder form, third one is roster form. So first chapter completed. So we will give the homework, do the homework.